Here's how to add confetti to your Thrivecart page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code. Go to Thrivecart. Once you create a product and you get to the fulfillment step, pick the Display Their Total/Invoice option in order to create a customizable success page in Thrivecart. Once you've done that, click on Next, then go to Design, and then click on Launch Editor. Once you're inside the editor, go to the Success page, and then on the right side panel, look for HTML. Now drag that HTML element anywhere in the page. This will open a box where you will be able to paste in the confetti code next. This is what it will look like. Now right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier. Or use the text shortcut Control-V for Windows or Command-V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see the confetti code pasted into the HTML element, click on Done. Now, to see the confetti animation in action, we need to exit from the editor. So for you to do that, go ahead and click Next. And then under Checkout, click on Next again and click it one more time. Now, click on Save and Get URL. And this will show us the link to the checkout page. Go ahead and click View Checkout. Test out your checkout page by completing the order, and then make sure to click on the Complete Order button. And if you did all the steps I mentioned correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you should see the ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.